Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're going to have another derivative problem here, but I want you guys just to do me a huge favor. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps out a lot. I just got started, and I would greatly appreciate it if you would just subscribe to my channel. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it. But anyways, let's get moving here with this one. So as with every natural log, if this would work, the rule is, and the rule that I like to write down is d over dx, and then ln of f of x. So the reason I put f of x because f of x could be anything. And we know that the derivative of ln x is just 1 over x. But in this case, it's 1 over f of x, because again, it could be something else other than x. And then we must multiply. It's kind of like the chain rule, multiply by what was the inner function. In this case was f of x. So we're taking the derivative of f of x and then simplifying afterwards. So using this rule that I just wrote down, let's go ahead and move forward. So we're going to put this over 1 and have sine x to the 5th power, and then simply just multiply by the derivative of sine x to the 5th power. And again, we're going to need to use chain rule here because we have something that is other than an x. We have an x to the 5th power. So we have to take the derivative. We're going to keep this highlighted here so I don't forget that I'm going to have to bring that back. We're going to take the derivative of the outer function, which is cosine, and bring back the inner function, and then multiply by the inner function, or multiply by the derivative of the inner function, and that is x to the 5th power. So we get, at the end, cosine x to the 5th power times 5x to the 4th. And our final answer, so we're going to include this all the way in the bottom, we're going to have 5x to the 4th times cosine x to the 5th over sine x to the 5th. Now, you could simplify even further this portion over here. Let's go ahead and, or at least put a circle, or the worst circle ever, around this. This is actually a trigonometric identity, which is cotangent. So we're going to change that to 5x to the 4th, multiply by cotangent, and of course bring back that x to the 5th, and this could also be your final answer.